Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check apps that has used your Apple ID to sign into apps and websites on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go down and tap on your Apple ID. Next, in here, tap on Password and Security. Then we go down and tap on Apps using Apple ID. So tap on that. And in here, you'll be able to view all the apps that has used the Apple ID to sign in. And if you want to revoke the permission, you can tap on Edit and then tap on the Remove button to remove apps from using your Apple ID. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.